The staff in the SSC have always been very big supporters of our students, whether it's teaching them how to be a better college student or supporting them in learning specific content or helping them to be more efficient test takers, efficient studiers.
In my own classes, and I teach composition here at UAH, I send my own students to the Student Success Center. The real benefit is any students who end up going there, their final products are always better than if they hadn't gone there.
To me, it makes a clear difference in the chemistry class I teach. The students that go to PASS do better, and that's consistent semester over semester.
Students sometimes need a different way of approaching material. So the PASS leaders oftentimes will work problems with the students, and seeing it worked again, seeing it worked from a different point of view can be very helpful to a student.
Going to writing tutoring with a student who is a peer or a near peer, those students always come back feeling more confident about what they need to do to write better in my classroom.
I try to mentor the students that come in that are having problems, particularly the ones that are struggling with their time management. I send them to the academic coaching, and once I send them there, I typically will ask them in class, so did you go? And how did it go? And their response to me is consistently, I have a plan. I feel like I know what I'm doing. And that response, because I get that feedback from the students, I feel very comfortable about subsequently recommending the next semester students.
The academic coaches of the SSC can really tease out from a student what their issues are as far as being an effective college student, whether it's time management or they're not sure how to study. The SSC academic coaches can really support a student in developing those skills and really being a more effective learner.
I encourage you to think about using the SSC because your students who attend SSC writing tutoring, they'll produce writing products that don't have the distraction of written errors that a lot of our students have, so that you can focus more on the types of learning outcomes that you are measuring or intending to measure in your own classrooms.
I send them to the Student Success Center because I know when I do that, the student is going to get the help they need.
When a new faculty member or instructor joins our college, I always recommend that they learn about the Student Success Center so that they can advise their students in their classes on how to access those services and how to use them. I also encourage faculty to go to the Canvas Commons and pull Student Success Center modules and stick them into their course. The SSC has created modules that can help a student with how to attend office hours, how to study effectively, how to take tests well. Having those services even in your Canvas course is just another way to show students that the Student Success Center will support their learning process and helping them be a better college student.